Now that the weather's warming up, it's time to get your car cleaned up and ready for the season. And a pressure washer makes that an easy task. It's a lot faster than washing by hand and uses less water than just a garden hose. However, not all washers are right for the job. You don't want to use one with too much pressure because you could easily damage the paint. For best results, choose a washer with variable PSI settings. That way, you know you're using the right pressure. Make sure your washer has various nozzles so you can use the right spray for soaping, washing, and rinsing. And you never want to use the most pointed nozzle. Usually it's the red one for cleaning your car because it can easily damage the paint. Choose a washer with wheels, which makes it a lot easier to move around the car. And make sure you have a long hose, which also helps move around the car while washing. It's best to wash the car on a hard surface. If you wash over gravel, small stones could fly up and hit the paint. If you wash over dirt, well, you're going to end up splattering dirt all over that newly cleaned car. Never spray the engine bay. There are too many parts in there that can be damaged, and lots of places you just don't want to get water on. All right, once you get everything connected, you'll want to rinse all the grit and grime off the car with just plain water. "2,000 PSI is perfect for washing cars, and this washer makes it easy to find that right setting. Just look for the symbol of the car. Use the green wash nozzle to spray the car. It's a good idea to step back and use a wider spray and less power for the windows, lights, and other fragile areas. Now it's time to add the detergent. Make sure you choose one that's formulated for pressure washers and of course diluted according to directions. You want to make sure your setting is on the lowest setting there is, and then we'll use the black soap nozzle to apply the detergent. Apply with broad, overlapping strokes, working from the bottom to the top. Let the cleaner soak for about 3 to 5 minutes, but don't let it dry all the way. Next, you want to take a car brush and get any problem dirt areas. Use a soft brush, work on the painted surfaces first, then go to your wheels, or just use a separate brush. The thing is, you just don't want to pick up any dirt, pebbles, sand that could scratch the paint job if you did it in reverse order. Switch back to the green wash nozzle to rinse off the detergent and work from the top to the bottom, making sure to remove all of the soap. Use the washer's wand to help you wash hard to reach areas like wheel arches and running boards. Be sure to drain the soap tank when you're done. And there you go, an easy way to wash your car just in time for the warm weather. I'm ready for a drive.